Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video, and today it's been my matchday vlog of Punjab United versus Town. So it's very windy tonight, so I don't know what the score's going to be. I think there's going to be loads of goals in this game. I'm going to say 5-1. Yeah, I'm going to go for a 5-1 win. I think Cruz is going to score, he's going to get a hat-trick. I think Suman will score. And I think Neil Spencer will score as well. But yes guys, without further ado, let's get straight into the match.
Trying to stand up! Get away! Come on! Come on! Come on! Everywhere we go! Everywhere we go! Everywhere we go! Come on! I haven't even done it. Come on! Come on! Oh! Yes! Yes! Come on! Yes! There we go! Come on! Punjab! Shit! Ah! It's going. Slowly. It's going slowly. Spencer, going away, Spencer, fighting the good to sing, Spencer, taking us to Spencer, running down the wing, Spencer, make the good to sing, Spencer.
Drop down a few levels, haven't you? Oh, it's a ball.
I follow the USA. That's ain't for me. La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
Does he want to drive? Are you sure? Hey! Is that a shot? Yeah, scored in the box. Corner. Are you pinning off? Is it? No. Shoot!
Stand up!
Good ball. Oh. Yes! Come on! Come on! Ooh! Ooh! There we go. In the box! He's going to score right now, what? Oh! Yeah! Come on! Woo! Come on! Well sing in the rain, we're Punjab United, well sing in the rain. And the one on me. Oi, ref! I'll take it. Come on! Oh. Come on, Chris! Ooh! Finish! Oh! Finish! Oh! Corner! Ole! Ole, ole, ole! Ole, ole, ole! Oh! Hey! Good. Oh! Let's go over it. Shoot! Oh!
So it's half time here, and it's currently Punjab United 3, Wellington 0. We've been going down the hill in the first half, which has helped us a little bit because obviously going uphill in this weather is not good at all. Yeah, we piled on the pressure in the first half. We got 3 goals. Neil Spencer one-on-one with the keeper. I think he chipped him in the end or something. Cruz's goal, nice low-driven shot into the corner. Good goal from him. And then Suman, it was from a corner. Apparently he hit the ref. I didn't see it, but hopefully I've seen on there. I apologise if any of the video is a little bit blurry. Could be due to me trying to get the water off the camera. But yeah, you know, a good goal from Suman. 3-0. I think we could have had maybe a few more as well. Obviously the wind's helping it, and it's very difficult as well also to judge the wind as well. But I think we've done well. But hopefully in the second half we can get a few more goals. I don't think it's going to be as many goals, so I'm still going to say, I think I'm going to go for a 5-1 win still. But yes guys, without further ado, let's get straight into the second half.
No pyro, no party. Oh, shoot! Yes! Come on! Come on! Ooh! Ooh! La, 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 Punjab! In the box. Oh,
Mate, do you remember when you called me over height?
over. Oh. Come on! Right, go on. Oh!
I just want to wear a crown.
Ole, ole. Ole, ole, ole. Shoot! Oh, fuck.
Oh shit, here I go.
That's another ball, come on.
Bailey! Bailey!
Oh. Alright, what a ball.
Stand up! Stand up! Barry!
Fuck off, it's not my dad.
Oh, hi. Oh. Oh, 1, 2. Shoot!
Go on, boy.
Oh, ooh.
Oh no, you actually broken. No, because Jamie, I will fucking
Alright, go on.
Oh, we fucking
Shoot! Corner! Hey. Then you know it's a fucking goal. A ball! Oh.
No.
Boy!
Oh, he's done this. He's fucking. Oh, and he's fucking done that. Close your legs, son. Get out there, Bill. Yeah, he's done fucking.
Boy!
Oh, it's fucking Vivo.
Oh. Still on.
I love the odds.
Because I know the bog. Shut up!
Oh. Go on. He's in. Oh. Hey.
Hold on, that's fucking.
No, well done.
Well done, boys. Cheers. Jason Powell's got no teeth.
Well done.
You feel that fucking beat. What? Oh, mate, I thought someone was touching me.
Well done, boys. Well done, boys.
You alright?
Cheers.
Yeah, alright, I'll catch. Love it. Alright, bye. Ted, come on, mate.
2 whiskies, huh?
So it's full time here and it ends Punjab United 4, Wellington 0. A great win in the end. It was very difficult to play in those conditions. The rain was very heavy, but I think we done pretty well to play in that weather. You know, 4 great goals, a great win against bottom of the league as well. You know, it's expected to win, but you know, they're always fighting down near the bottom, as they say. So obviously good luck to them for the rest of the season. Coming up, hopefully we can, you know, continue our playoff run. Obviously we had that game that was abandoned last week, which I'm not too sure what's going on yet. Might get replayed, might not, I'm not too sure. But yes guys, this is going to be the end of the video. If you're new, make sure to like and subscribe, and yes guys, I'll see you in the next one.